Welcome the our channel. Today we how to log into WhatsApp on new phone, detailed guide step by step clearly. To log into WhatsApp on your new phone, begin by installing the app from your device's app store. Open the app once it has been installed. You will be greeted with a welcome screen. Tap on the Agree and Continue button to accept the terms of service. Next, select your country from the drop-down menu. Enter your mobile phone number in the provided field. Double-check to ensure the number is correct before proceeding. Tap on Next to receive a verification code. WhatsApp will send a 6-digit verification code to the phone number you provided. Once you receive the code, enter it into the app. If you don't receive the code, you can tap on Resend Code after a short wait. After entering the code, tap on Next to verify your number. You may be prompted to restore your chat history if you had a previous backup. Choose to restore if you want to recover old chats, or skip this step for now. After restoration, set your profile name and profile picture. Tap on Next to proceed to the main chat screen. You are now logged into WhatsApp on your new phone. Feel free to start chatting with your contacts right away. If you encounter any issues during the login process, check your internet connection. Make sure you have a stable connection to complete the login successfully. Enjoy using WhatsApp on your new device. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.